My dear students, well, by the grace of Almighty Allah, I guess you will be benefited by the rules of health and hygiene. You will free from COVID-19 coronavirus. If you follow the rules of hygiene, you should use mask from removes of the virus. So I congratulate our government and BTV to give a chance to show you online class. I think you have already attend or participate another class and you have been benefited to attend the class. Now I am going to show you another class in English, class 7. I think you have already known the great woman. There are many great men, but rare great women. Even our country or all over the world, there are many great men, those who have already contributed our society. Sakhawat Begum Rukia, Sakhawat Hussain, Florence Nightingale, Helen Keller, Mother Teresa, etc. They live in few countries, another separate countries, but one great woman who lives our country, whose name is Begum Rukia Sakhawat Hussain. Now we are going to start Begum Rukia Sakhawat Hussain. Begum Rukia Sakhawat Hussain. Begum Rukia. Begum Rukia. Unit 5, Lesson 1. Unit 5, Lesson 1. You can open at page 45. You know about Begum Rukia. Now, I also participate with you to read out the passages about Begum Rukia. Begum Rukia 1880 to 1932 was a famous writer and a social worker. She lived in undivided Bengal in the early 20th century. She believed that women should have the same rights and opportunities as men have in the society. So she fought for their cause throughout her life. Begum Rukia was born in a village called Pairabando, Rangpur in 1880. Her father, Johiruddin Muhammad Abu Ali Haidar Saber, was an educated landlord. Rukia was married to Khan Bahadur Sakhawat Hussain in 1896. Her husband was the deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, now a district in the Indian state of Bihar. He was very cooperative and always encouraged Rukia to go on with her activities. Many upper class Muslims of Bengal at that time learned Arabic and Persian as medium of education and communication. But Rukia had great love for her mother tongue. She learned Bangla and English from her eldest brother Ibrahim. I think you have already listened to the topics and know about Begum Rukia. I also other characteristics of Begum Rukia. In that time, in that time when she was born, or after being the birth of Begum Rukia, the Muslims great woman or another Muslims woman got their rights and responsibilities. So she was called the pioneer of the conscience of Muslim family or others women. Now I show you a question and I think you will be able to reply the question, and I show you the picture. Who is Begum Rukia? I am optimistic you will be able to identify the Begum Rukia. The picture is Begum Rukia. You will be able to reply the vocabs famous. I think you have already known about the topics. Famous means renowned. Renowned, distinguished, etc. Distinguished, etc. Opportunities. Opportunities means good chance. Favorable time. Etc. Landlord, you have already got the topic. Landlord means Jamindar. Jamindar or landowner. Jamindar or landowner. Cooperative, another word, cooperative. Cooperative means you know about more and more. Supportive. Cooperative means supportive. Helpful, etc. Now I shall show you another idea from the topics. I think everybody have already written down in your khata. Now be attentive, everybody. Then another question, which is called multiple choice question. Begum Rukia was a dash. I am optimistic everybody will be able to reply the question, which word is sitting for fill in the blank? Begum Rukia was a famous writer and social worker. So I will read writer and social worker. Social worker. Rukia laughed. Another question. Rukia laughed. What did? Which did she love? She loved the language of mother tongue. Mother tongue or Bangla. She loved Bangla. Bangla or mother tongue. Mother tongue. Bangla or mother tongue. Another question or last question. Rukia dash at the age of 16 years. At the age of 16 years. I think you guess which word is sitting for the place. Rukia married. Rukia married. So the word is married. I use it this place. Married. Married. Okay. I think everybody have already have in your brain or head. Now I shall show you a chart which is very essential for the students, and you will get in your question in half yearly exam or annual exam about Begum Rukia. About Begum Rukia. Begum Rukia Begum Rukia. This is Begum Rukia's lifestyle. Occupation. Occupation. Born in. Married in. Married in. Family. Language. I am optimistic you will be able to set up her lifestyle, born to death, which her occupation. I think you have already support and you have already set up the mention in different kinds of column. Born occupation, writer and social worker. Writer and social worker. One is done for you. social worker. Social worker. Bird. Pairabandha Rangpur. Pairabandha. Pairabandha Rangpur. Pairabandha Rangpur. Pairabandha Rangpur. Married. When she got married? 1896. 1896. With Khan Bahadur Shahbaz. With you have only set up 896 time. You have only set up 896. If anybody set another for her husband setting, it will be very well. So I have only set 1896 family, Jamindar family or landlord family. Jamindar family. Our family is Jamindar family or landlord family. Jamindar family or landlord family. Language, Bangla and English. Bangla and English. He loved very much Bangla, but she also learned English to communicate with others or foreigners.